Hi there. If you're over 65 and receiving SSI, you might think that once you reach retirement age, Social Security stops checking your eligibility. But here's the hard truth. It doesn't. Many seniors are surprised when they suddenly get letters, notices, or even see reduced payments. Some experience confusion, suspended checks, or even interruptions in Medicaid coverage. That's why understanding SSI redetermination is so important. It can mean the difference between peace of mind and unnecessary stress. So what exactly is redetermination? Simply put, it's a routine, non-medical review to make sure you still meet SSI rules. Your age, disability, or medical condition isn't being checked. This isn't a punishment, and it doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. Social Security is just verifying information, income, resources, and living arrangements to keep your benefits accurate. Let's break down the three main areas. Income. Social Security looks at all money you receive, whether it's earned, unearned, or even gifts. Even a one-time payment can trigger questions. Resources. This includes cash, bank accounts, and other assets. SSI limits are $2,000 for individuals and $3,000 for couples. Joint accounts or multiple accounts can complicate things if ownership isn't clear. Living arrangements, who you live with and who pays for basics like rent, utilities, or groceries matters. Even help from family or friends can affect your payment calculation. Knowing these three areas helps you understand why Social Security asks for certain documents. A lot of people worry that a redetermination is an accusation of fraud. It's not. It's a standard review for everyone receiving SSI, no matter your age. Understanding this takes the fear out of the process. Redetermination is routine, not punitive. Here's something important. Turning 65 does not stop SSI reviews. SSI is based on current financial need, not past work history or retirement status. Even if you've been on SSI for years, changes in income, housing, or support from others can affect your eligibility. So age alone doesn't exempt you. Redetermination can happen on a schedule or be triggered by a change. Scheduled reviews happen periodically, some every year, some every few years. Triggered reviews occur if you report a new address, a new bank account, or change